Right. So another industrial process. So the first two steps involved in the manufacture of sodium carbonate. So you remember in the sodium carbonate, there are mainly 4 to 5 processes. First one is the ammonification and carbonation, the second step. So first and second step, normally they are exothermic, not endothermic, if you remember. And then we have the separation and the removal. So the first two steps that involved is the ammonification, where you mix this ammonia and carbon dioxide. So we oxidize it and make the components. Then we have supply carbonation, carbon dioxide to get from the second step. So both these steps, remember those two are exothermic. Okay. The presence of magnesium, calcium sulfate in brine hinders the production of NOH. So this is one of the consequence of the membrane. So this is wrong. Okay, this is not endothermic, exothermic. This is correct because this was one of the consequence of the production of NaOH using the membrane cell method. Okay, because we use brine. So we have this magnesium, calcium, and sulfates in brine. So before using this, we have to precipitate this magnesium, calcium, and sulfate. Otherwise, we have a big problem in producing the NaOH, right? So what we normally do is we add these compounds to precipitate out these unwanted things. For an example, if I take this reaction, forget about this last one. So magnesium OH, magnesium hydride, precipitate, taken out. Calcium, precipitate, taken out. Sulfate, precipitate, taken out. Okay, so then we can use that solution to produce NaOH. The first step involved in the manufacture of nitric acid by Ostwald method is oxidation of ammonia using O2 in air in the presence of catalyst to give NO2. So what do you think about this statement? This is correct. This statement is correct. Why? Yeah, because so basically in the nitric acid process, first oxidation of ammonia happens using O2 in air in the presence of catalyst to give a NO2. Yeah, I think this is correct. This is the first step. If I remember, yes, the idea is this. This is correct, but there is a problem here. Why there is a problem here? If you remember, the oxidation of ammonia, I don't remember the exact equation, but if you remember the exact equation, you might come across this. It does not produce NO2. That is the problem here. So you see, we have to carefully go through the statement. So initially it does not produce NO2, it only produces NO. So the oxidation happens here first. Okay, and then this NO reacts with O2 for further oxidation to produce NO2. Okay. High temperature and low pressure conditions are employed in the manufacture of ammonia gas using Haber Bosch. So you see, this is the ammonia production. So we use high temperature, but not low pressure. You see here, this is very high pressure. So this is also wrong. Okay. So don't forget this. Only B is correct here. So this is the first step, that is producing NO. Then in the following step, it forms NO2.